Does it look real?
Yeah, it looks really weird.
Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Outdoor Inspirations. I'm Kevin, and we're going to go over a really unique, versatile plant today called the Kanjiro Camellia. With a little twist, this one happens to be a tree form. They're growing it as a tree formed plant. They're training it, I should say, to be more of a tree. So let's dig into this one. So the Kanjiro Camellia is an evergreen plant. It's a medium 8 to 10 foot range shrub, and it's has a bloom which is a semi-double. So it has 2 rows of petals, you know, staggered to make a really interesting design. And if Blake zooms in on this one, you can also see that nice yellow center offsetting that cerise pink color. So very beautiful, very vibrant, adds punches into your landscape color. Very good plant. You know, one of our favorite varieties of flowering shrubs is Camellia. Camellia is so versatile. It's a good screening plant because it is big and burly, and it's very insect disease pest tolerant. So it's just a winner chicken dinner. This variety is Sasanqua, so it's going to bloom in the fall, and you can still see the blooms are hanging on still today. So I'm going to put these down, but let's look down a little bit lower, and we can see they're training it to be a tree form. So this is a very cool way to add a different look with the same type shrubbery that you may already have. So you can do this to your own camellias at home. You know, the younger you start, the better. So as you clip off lower branches, they have time to heal over. And as they matures, it's going to smooth off and really make a very look that looks like a look that it was intended to be. No, what am I trying to say? So the earlier you cut these back, the sooner it can start healing itself, and as it matures, it's going to look like it came that way. It was born that way. And really cool, very unique applications now with the tree form variety. Now we can see through and under the foliage, and as this grows taller and taller, this is now a patio tree. Now you can sit slightly underneath with your seating, or you can have some shrubs underneath that can be seen, right? So this can actually perform a little bit of shade for a seating area, and you can put these at the entranceways to, say, your driveway entrance. So say your driveway entrance, one on either corner as you drive in, shrubbery flanking under. Very unique look that we've done a lot of these with hollies. So a lot of hollies will come standard, just full to ground, you know, tip to bottom with foliage. But if you can get the tree form variety, that's another look to add to your landscape designs, and very attractive. So this is a beauty. This plant likes moisture but well draining soil. It does like part sun to full sun, so it's very versatile in that respect. And dark green, really dark green foliage, and just strikes so nicely against that beautiful pink flower. Thanks everyone for watching. Give us a green thumbs up, we'd appreciate it. If you want to join the Plant Peak Nation, please subscribe. We'd love to have you. Until the next video, all things grow with love. Take care of those plants and they'll take care of you.